All right. Hey, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. Hey, my name's Jason. If you haven't been here before, the channel is all about making money online, and we find ways to make money and show people how to do that so that they can leave their 9 to 5, get out of the hustle, get out of the rat race. Today, we're going to continue with our daily series, our daily Clickbank series, turn $5 a day into $4,000 a month. And we're using a simple copy and paste method to do this. I want to see, using this method, how long it takes us to get to that income. That income is job quitting income. I think pretty much anybody could actually survive on that, but we don't just want to survive on that. So we have a lot of other things that we do on the channel. This is a brand new series. We started running this. So we're currently making money in several different systems. That way we can make more than what we need, right? That is the idea. So let's jump into Clickbank and check our stats. Sorry, it seems my internet's a little bit slow today. There we go. Okay, so Clickbank's gotten a little bit slow over the last couple days too. So it's been a few days since we made a sale, but we're not going to let that discourage us. We're going to continue on because consistency is key. So we're always going to be consistent in everything we do, and that is how we win. So let's go check our traffic and see how we're doing. Make sure we're still getting traffic in here. Okay, yep, plenty of traffic. So we got 168 clicks to our link today so far. We haven't sent our emails out today, so that's a pretty good start considering we haven't sent emails out yet. And let's check the period date. All right, so right here for the current offer that we're promoting, we ran just over 7,000 clicks to our link. We've had 22 initial impressions, so clicks to our order form. And then we've had getting close to 11,000 total clicks to our site, which is good. There's tons of traffic getting in there. And there, of course, we made our 5 sales. And this is actually day number 38. So we'll have today, tomorrow, and then one more day promoting this product. And then we're going to move on to the next. So I'm kind of excited. I like the day we change because it's something new, and then we can see what happens. All right, let's jump into my lead gen secret. And make sure this is the right account. Yep. So we'll start with our first account. I've already got the email prepared. It's in the Google Doc below, as always. And we're going to click mailing system. I'm going to select all of our leads. We're going to grab our subject, Control C, Control V to paste. And we're going to go grab our entire email, including our link. Control C, highlight, Control V. And as I like to do, and you can do whatever you like here, but I like to take this bold off. And then I use the short code up here from the system. Control C, Control V, comma, and that's going to say their first name. Now we've been bolding this. I kind of like the way that looks. I'm going to do that again. We're going to change our hop link right here. There's mine. And I'm going to go ahead and grab that link so I can place it. So Control C. And let's see, we'll have to come back and we'll put our signature on there. So let's do right here. And we'll go ahead and bold that. And then right here, and we're going to bold this And I always bring this up one size so it kind of stands out a little bit. So that's it. There's our email with our links in it. I'm going to put my name, you put your name, get rid of this link because we don't need it anymore. And as always, we're going to copy. So we'll highlight and Control-C to copy this entire email. Click perfect timing and send it. Come on, maybe. There we go. All right, I'm going to come up to the tab and I'm going to right click and then duplicate. Why my internet is really slow today. So we'll log out and then we'll log back into number 2 for this series. And again, we're just going to jump right in, mailing system, come all the way down. We're going to highlight, I'm going to Control-V to paste. Perfect timing. And then we'll come up here. We'll grab our subject line from the document, Control-C, Control-V. And we're going to grab our email one more time, Control-C. That way we're prepared for the next account. And this would be, there we go. Be a little faster if my internet was not being a pain today. So into the third account, we'll go now. Real quick, mailing system, select all the way down because we have our email, Control-V, perfect timing. Subject, grab our subject from our document, Control-C, Control-V. We're going to highlight the email, Control-C to copy it, and then send. Okay, then we'll go to our next account. And it's number 4. Select all. And we're going to highlight, then Control-V. Go to our subject. Control-C, Control-V. I'm going to grab our email again for our next account and send it. All right, now we're going to go to our next account, which I believe is our last account. Yep, number 5. And we'll do mailing system. Select all. So 7,000 in this account. We're going to highlight our email. We'll Control-V to paste. Perfect timing. Get our subject. Control-C, Control-V. Simple copy and paste. We don't need the email again because it's our last account. And then we'll send it. All right, so that is gone. So nice and quick, we've got our emails out to a huge group of people. So now we'll see if the right person is in that group, and we will move on from there. And we'll be back with another one tomorrow. So in the meantime, check out this new series. We also have this series here. This is a good deal. You can save tons of money with this. Just check that out. And this, of course, is our daily series we're working on every day. And then this is another system that we make money with every day. Matter of fact, yesterday I made 120 bucks. So pretty cool, pretty good. This is working all the time for us. Go check them out, see what you think. My number is always below. If you have any kind of questions, let me know. Other than that, please be sure and subscribe if you have not done so, and leave us a like on this video if you got anything out of it. We sure hope you did. And we will see you on the next one. Later.